So I was wondering, what does $60 buy you? This is a bypass filter. I converted my refrigerator over to my reverse osmosis system. So I figured, what's the point of having the resistance and replace filters in my refrigerator? So I bought the bypass. So the question is, for $60, and you have to replace it every 24 months according to them, what do you get? So what you get is nothing. Absolutely nothing. So I cut the top of it off because this one is broken. You can see the tab's broken off of it. So I cut the top of it to see what you get. You're paying $60 some plus shipping and handling for most places for nothing. Isn't that exciting? I think that's really fun. So I get it. It's a very small market that needs to buy these because it's only people like myself that has some other filtration system on their fridge. But I would think that if you're selling something for that much, I'd be perfectly fine spending $100 if it was for the lifetime of the refrigerator. Put some antibacterial, anti-fungus, any biological growing material on the inside of here. Fill it with hose, like antibacterial hose, looped around, back and forth, all in here so it actually cools the water ahead of time. Do something like that. I'd be fine with it. Instead, it's a piece of PVC tube with a little flat bottom and with some nodules for $60 around, given the price. I mean, that's it. I really don't understand it, but I just want to share, so if anyone else is looking at these bypass filters and figuring, hey, I must be getting something for my money, you're literally getting nothing for your money. So at some point, one of my projects I was going to do is take the two lines that come into the fridge in the refrige part, where it comes in from the back, and just bypass them completely on the exterior of the fridge. Needless to say, I haven't made it there yet. But there you go. If anyone has questions, feel free to put comments below. Otherwise, that's what you get when you get a bypass filter for a Frigidaire. Have a good one.